So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to send reminder emails in Docusign. So firstly, you need to locate the pending envelope, log into your Docusign dashboard, and navigate to the Manage tab at the top of the page. Select In Progress or Waiting for Others from the left-hand menu to view your unsigned documents. Now to trigger the reminder, find the specific envelope you want to target and click the Action or Menu button next to it. Select Send Reminder from the options list to instantly dispatch an automated nudge to the recipient's inbox. Now they can reply, at least they have the answer or the nudge now. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.